Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we compare two powerful processors from Intel. But before we dive into it, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and comparisons. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9-13900K takes the lead with its impressive 24 cores, 8P cores plus 16E cores, and 32 threads, offering a performance hybrid architecture that optimizes workloads. On the other hand, the Intel Core i7-12700K provides high performance with its 8 cores and 16 threads, delivering improved performance for demanding applications. Both processors offer great power for your tasks. In terms of clock speed, the Intel Core i9-13900K outshines with an unlocked speed of up to 6.0 GHz. On the other hand, the Intel Core i7-12700K offers a base speed of 3.60 GHz, which can be boosted for faster processing. Both processors deliver excellent speeds, but the i9-13900K takes the crown in this category. When it comes to compatibility, both processors offer great options. The Intel Core i7-12700K features a socket LGA 1700 socket, making it compatible with several motherboards. Similarly, the Intel Core i9-13900K is compatible with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards, so you have flexibility in choosing the right motherboard for your build with either of these processors. In terms of onboard graphics, the Intel Core i7-12700K comes with a built-in Intel UHD graphics controller, allowing you to enjoy enhanced graphics and visual quality. On the other hand, the Intel Core i9-13900K includes integrated Intel UHD Graphics 770, providing excellent graphics capabilities. Whether you need graphics support for gaming or multimedia tasks, both processors have got you covered. And that wraps up our comparison between these two powerful Intel processors. As we've seen, both the Core i7-12700K and Core i9-13900K offer impressive performance and features. However, the specific needs of your build will determine which processor is the right fit for you. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.